In this video, I'll show you how to randomize the order of members in a JavaScript array, also known as shuffling an array. The most popular approach to randomizing arrays is known as Fisher-Yates, and if we must shuffle a large array, that's what we should use. However, again, that's a bit advanced, so it won't be too helpful for learning. Instead, we'll look at a simple implementation using the familiar map and sort methods. So let's do this right away. I'm gonna name my function shuffle. It's not gonna take any parameters. And let's say I'm setting a const of ordered fruits to the following: apple, banana, cherry, durian, elderberry, fig, and grape. Okay, and now I'm gonna set a const of unordered fruits to an empty array. Next, I'm gonna use a for loop. So here I'll set the value of I to be 0. Then I'll set I is less than ordered fruits dot length, then I to increase the count by 1 on each loop. And then inside of the loop, I'll just say unordered fruits dot push, and I'll do ordered fruits, and basically it's gonna take a random member. And we've already kind of seen this in the randomness videos. So Math.random multiplied by the length of ordered fruits. Okay, so that should be it for the loop. And now I'm going to console log unordered fruits. So that's our first implementation. It might seem that this is all that it takes, but actually the logged out unordered fruits array will sometimes show to us that our implementation is not perfect. To confirm that, let's see a few outputs. So I'm going to invoke the shuffle, and as you can see, I'm getting durian several times. If I try it again, I'll probably find a few duplicates as well. So here I've got 2 apples, and here we're getting 3 grapes. So why is this happening? Well, since Math.random multiplied by orderFruits.length will sometimes return the same number, in that case, we'd be pushing the same member of the original array into the unordered fruits array. To fix this problem, we can use the splice method. And additionally, we'll have to count our array down, not up. So here's the updated version. So basically, we're going to go into the for loop, and right here, I'm going to change 0 to unordered fruits length. So let's paste that in right here. And then this one is going to be greater than or equals to 0. So we're just basically flipping the order and making our for loop count down, not up. And now inside the body of the for loop, I'm going to say ordered fruits dot splice. So not unordered fruits, but ordered fruits dot splice. And here I'm going to say math.floor, math.random multiplied by ordered fruits dot length, comma 1. And let's just see that again. Okay. And now outside of this splice operation, I'm going to say unordered fruits, push un push unordered item. So where is this unordered item? Well, basically, the unordered item is defined on each loop as the result of calling orderedFruits.splice. Okay, so as you can already see, I'm getting an array of arrays where each array nested array has a single member. So this is progress. But now what we need to do is basically we need to flatten this array into a single array without nesting. And for that, I can use the array.prototype.flat method or the flat method on the array prototype. So for that, I'm going to set the value of unordered fruits to itself, but only flattened. So I'm going to say unordered fruits equals unordered fruits dot flat. However, nothing is changing here, so obviously I'm making a mistake, and that mistake is this thing right here. So the VS Code is saying that it cannot find the name unordered fruits, and I'm going to do the quick fix right here. And okay, so now I messed it up, so let's go back. So let's just copy this, paste it in right here. But now I'm going to get assignment to constant variable. So basically, I cannot update because I've set this to const. So instead, let's set it to let, and that should fix it. So now let's also run it a few times just to make sure that we haven't missed anything. So we got in the first attempt cherry, elderberry, durian, grape, fig, apple, banana. So that obviously works. If we try it again, you can see how the order is randomly changing right here. So this seems like a good implementation. That's it. One of the ways to easily shuffle an array in JavaScript.